Are your digital marketing efforts creating an impact? Even the most tech-savvy business owners face obstacles with do-it-yourself digital marketing. Where setting up a team of digital marketers can take months and is cost prohibitive. MRKT365, on the other hand, not only helps you get connected with top-quality vendors, but also helps you identify problems, find opportunities, and increase ROI on marketing spends. Our AI will identify opportunities for improvement on websites, Google AdWords, Facebook, and Instagram campaigns, and generate intuitive and insightful reports. The platform possesses the ability to constantly optimize your website based on the information collected from your traffic and from competitors, syndicating all your online business data in one powerful dashboard to analyze it yourself or get an expert to look into it and guide you to your business success. Our marketplace is always loaded with experts that use the latest and greatest in digital marketing and technology. Find a planner, analyst, SEO, SEM, designer, or developer to do anything your business needs. Our AI scores every expert based on his past and ongoing projects, and our machine learning recommends the best expert to meet your business needs. The platform gives you access to experienced and tested freelancers with a proven track record. MRKT365 provides you with a unique feature of tracking the work done by freelancers anytime and monitoring the ongoing progress. Have a question or any input? Talk directly with your expert on the job. All deliverables from the experts are verified by MRKT365 for quality and accuracy. In case of a discrepancy, any rework is always done for free. So what are you waiting for? Log on to MRKT365.com.